stranger. It's been a minute since we.
Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Drea B. Thank you for returning to my page. If this is your first time coming to my page, thank you and welcome. My name is Drea B. I do videos on fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. So thank you for coming to my page. Today my voice is a little raspy, so pardon me for that. Don't get on me in the comments, okay? We are not about that life. But today I'm coming to you with a spring cleaning haul. For me, every year I do this type of spring haul because I tends to give away my stuff to the wrongfully home or unfortunate people. For me, if I haven't wear something within 6 months to a year, I give the stuff away. Because I don't like clutter, like a bunch of junk in my closet, especially if I know I'm not going to wear it. So I don't keep much stuff around. I always, every year, I change out my clothes. So what I do is either choose my computer desk, my bureau, or my closet. I do them one after the other and give away stuff. So in this video, I'm doing my closet because I have already did my drawers. I clear out clothes from there. And then I have a bag, a garbage bag or something, just sitting there for me to put the rest of the stuff in. But yeah, I do this every year because I don't like the clutter at all. But sometime next year, what I want to do is pick a month out of the year. And every weekend, what I want to do is go and do like some type of charity work. Whereas I hand out food and then probably the next week hand out some toiletries to the homeless, just for them to be able to, go and clean up themselves, probably in a public bathroom or something, so they could feel better. It's so cute. That is my wedding veil and my wedding dress. So the wedding dress, just to throw in some type of promo, is from Shein. The veil is from Amazon. Okay, so anyhow, I want to do that for a whole month, like every weekend, to make sure like I giving back to my community. Right here, I am organizing all my hair and other stuff before I start to put them in the closet. So what I'm going to do is like I have already adjusted the shelf. I empty out everything. I'm showing you like the empty closet and everything before I vacuum and mop. So to clear out everything, then I adjusted the shelves to the likings that I want. And then after that, I started to organize my purse because my purse are going on the top shelf. And then the second shelf will be like, I think my makeup. And the third shelf is like my perfumes and stuff. And then so forth, so forth. So right now, I'm just jamming to music and organizing my purses. Then I put my makeup on the second shelf. So after I organize all my makeup and perfumes on the middle console, I had to take a break. That took everything out of me. So here, what I'm doing is putting like everything what I want back into the closet, and then I'm going to show you guys like where I put stuff. Now, if you want a detailed review on that, then I could do that. Just let me know down in the comments. But I normally the left hand side, right this side is like my dress and my tennis and my boots with a bin full of wigs. Up there is my bag, some more tennis, my nail stuff, some more bags, my makeup, my perfumes and body sprays, my facial, my recording, my nail supply, some more tennis. On this other side is like all my pants, all my heels, what I like at the moment, and all of my tops. Other than that, that is my closet. I install a light in there because I couldn't see, so I installed a light switch, and I got that light switch from IKEA.
Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you?